Welcome to Tech ED Hub. Today we are diving into the journey of the evaluation of input and output technologies in mobile devices, from the early days of physical keypads to today's cutting edge touchscreen and beyond. We will explore how mobile devices evolved from simple keypads and basic screen to the advanced technologies we have today, such as face recognition, OLED displays, and even voice activated assistants. So let's dive in. Hey everyone! Mobile devices have completely transformed the way we interact with the world. But did you know that the input and output technologies in the mobile devices have come a long way since the very first mobile phones? Well, they have, and today we are going to walk through the evaluation step by step. Let's start in the 1980s and 90s. This was the era when mobile phone first started become more than just a luxury item. Early devices like the Motorola Dynatac and Nokia 3310 was the first phones to feature basic input and output capability. For input, mobile devices use physical keypads. Most phones had T9 keyboards, which means you had to press each number multiple times to type a letter. This made texting a bit slow but still groundbreaking at the time. And the output was simple. Monochrome screens, simple and pixelated. Text messages were limited, but even back then, mobile phones were a game changer for communication. Fast forward to 2007, when Apple revolutionized the mobile phone market with the introduction of the iPhone. This was the game changer, not just for the Apple, but for the entire tech industry. The capacitive touchscreen introduced with the iPhone allowed from multi-touch gestures such as pick to zoom, swap, and tap, fundamentally changing how we interacted with phones. These screens replaced physical buttons and opened the door to endless possibilities. Now users could interact directly with the screens, allowing for a more immersive experience. As we move into the 2010, mobile devices started become even more advanced with biometric authentication. Devices like the iPhone X introduced Face ID, enabling you to unlock your phone simply by looking at it using facial recognition. Alongside that, fingerprint sensors, whether on the back of the phone or embedded into the screen itself, offered a more secure and convenient way to unlock devices. We also saw the rise of the voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistants, allowing hand-free interaction. You could now send a message, set an alarm, or get direction all with a simple voice command. And for the creative professionals, the return the stylus was welcome. The Apple Pencil and Samsung S Pen provided high precision for note-taking, drawing, and editing, binding mobile devices closer to become real productivity tools. Let's talk about the advance in output technologies, especially mobile sensors. From the basic monochrome displays, we move full color screen and then to OLED and AMOLED technology. These screens provide richer colors, deeper blacks, and high contrast ratio. This made watching videos, playing games, and simply scrolling through app a much more experience. Also, many modern phones now feature high resolution displays from Full HD to 4K with adaptive refresh rate that improve the visual experience when playing fast-paced games or scrolling through social media. One more important feature in 3D touch, a technology that sensors pressure applied to the screen, allowing you to perform different actions depending on how hard you press. This added a new layer of interactivity, making mobile experience even more dynamic. Now let's talk about how haptic feedback and audio have evolved. Modern smartphones now features advanced haptic feedback, a technology that lets you feel different sensations when interacting with your phone, such as typing on the keyboard or receiving notification. Thanks to haptic technology, the experience typing, gaming, and even simply scrolling has become more tactile and immersive. And mobile audio has become long way too. Early phones had simply ringtone and low quality speakers, but today devices feature stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos sound technology. Now you can enjoy movie, games, and music with high quality sound that rival dedicated audio devices, offering truly immersive experience. So what's next for mobile tech? The future of mobile input and output technologies is looking existing. Imagine a future where your phone isn't just a phone. It is a platform for augmented reality and virtual reality. With AR glasses, your phone could display information overlaid on the real world, or you could interact with virtual environments using your mobile devices. We are also seeing the rise of foldable phones, which combine portability with large screen experience. Companies like Samsung and Motorola have already released foldable phones, and we are likely to see even more innovation in this area. And with gesture-based control, the need for physical touch could soon be think of the past. Your phone may respond to movement in the air rather than needing direct contact. The feature could even bring brain-computer interface that allow you to control your device with nothing more than thought. Whether it's thought AR, VR, foldable screen or gesture control, the future of mobile tech promises to be existing. Mobile devices have come a long way, from the basic bulky phones of the 80s and 90s to the sleek, powerful smartphone we have today. And the best part, we are just getting started. Technology like Face ID, OLED displays, haptic feedback, and voice assistance are transforming how we interact with our phones. And there's still so much more on the horizon. And leave your thoughts on future of mobile devices in comment below. Stay with us, and I'll see you next one. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the history and future of mobile technology. If you enjoyed this video, make sure like, subscribe and hit the bell button. You never miss an update.